Thanks, guys. Let's get some Black Hills weather for Christmas Eve. The days are getting longer. It's going to start out slow, and then as we get towards February and March, the days will quickly start to get longer. Right around where we're supposed to be for this time of year, maybe a couple degrees above normal yesterday. Rapid City, 21 degrees out towards the airport, probably more like 30 degrees as you get towards Rapid City. Northwest winds around 3 miles per hour. Got a few clouds towards Nebraska, central South Dakota, and the northern hills look to have clear skies at this time. A few snow showers as we're looking towards Colorado. If you're traveling along I-70, could run into some problems as you're heading towards Grand Junction on I-70. Just keep that in mind. Also, Salt Lake City getting a few snow showers. Winter weather advisories up for Montana and the Rocky Mountains up there. So lots of snowfall in the mountains more so. If you're traveling towards the East Coast, not as bad. Maybe a few delays as you're heading towards places like Buffalo, perhaps. Getting some lake effect snow, very fitting for this time of the year. So what is our expected snowfall? So by Christmas, we're not looking at any snowfall happening during the day. Christmas Day, even going into the evening, should remain clear. Now, as we go into late Tuesday night, going into Wednesday morning, we're going to have to watch this right now. Heavier snow bands are expected through the central portion of the state. We're talking Pierre, Winter, and towards East River. Notice this cutoff is very, very fine. So Sioux Falls could end up getting a lot or very little, depending on just how much that track of the storm moves. Snow burst right now and drier air is kind of what's being expected for the Black Hills. So you're going to have areas of locally heavy precipitation. So some areas could get more than 6 inches of snow, but they're going to be isolated spots. For the most part, expecting 3 to 6 inches of snow at this time. If the storm track moves a little bit farther west, we could expect more impacts. Over the next 24 hours to 48 hours, that's going to become much more clear. But right now, here's what we're looking at. So the day after Christmas, be careful of traveling, especially if you're going east. The farther east you go, the more snowfall you're going to see. The farther west, the less you're going to see. So patches of heavier snow in the hills, storm track could shift. We are watching this carefully right now, but for now, most of us are going to see some sort of snow accumulation the day after Christmas, so maybe a day late, but not too late for us. So let's talk about Santa here. He's going to be coming around 12 a.m. Jet stream is a little bit of a zonal flow, so as long as he stays just south, he should be okay. He'll arrive around midnight tonight. Now, we have a little bit of a dip in the jet stream, so he's going to have to go south and then move his way northward. So he's going to get all of his stuff done quickly before he drops snow right on us. So the magic is kind of following him here, going 8 times the speed of sound. Still haven't figured that one out. Rapid City got the jet stream moving through. As we get towards Thursday and Friday, colder air is going to move in, and then slowly as we get towards the weekend, back to zonal flow, looking at calmer, drier weather for the weekend. So 44 degrees in Rapid City for today, partly cloudy skies for the most part. 7-day forecast shows that chance of snow Wednesday and Thursday. Things taper off by Friday. The weekend looking better, drier, and even warmer by Sunday. Click BigDeals.com. If you don't subscribe, you can't get in on these great deals, and they do have a lot of great deals. Make sure you subscribe today. Samantha?